Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to put together one of our kits. It may or may not be in the shop by the time you see this video. These bunnies are adorable. One of the things that I want to make sure that you understand during this video is that sometimes less is more. We are simply using some scrapbook paper. I have kind of a robin's egg blue that we're going to use for the boy, and then I have a striped paper that has tons of spring colors in it that we're going to use for the girl. So I just traced the design onto the scrapbook paper, and then I'm going to cut it out and we're going to Mod Podge it on. For the glasses, I just used some coordinating colors. For the boy, I wanted to be gray, and so I didn't have any gray, so we just mixed a little bit of white with black. And then for the girl, we used a pink color. You will see in the end that I didn't really think the gray just popped or stood out enough off of that robin's blue egg paper, and so I did end up painting the boy glasses white. Now it's time to put our scrappy bow together. I used all the colors of the paper, and we are just doing the scrappy bow that you see here a lot on my page. And for the boy, I just took 2 strips of ribbon, you're gonna see it here in a minute, and just tied them in a knot. Now what that does is gonna create a bow tie. It's the easiest bow tie ever to make, and it's so simple. This was another project that I could not let pass up without putting my signature style on. You guys know I love this. You can take a palette knife. This little pink tool I'm using is actually a crafter's tool from Dollar Tree, and they are amazing. I love it. I use it for everything. We are simply using some white to put on the bunny. You can see the white sunglasses there that I did repaint white, and it really makes it pop. So we had a bright pink in the bow for the little girl, and the glasses were pink, and so I thought we would dress up the edges of her with my technique using some, it's actually called bubblegum eraser pink. Once you have everything done, you're gonna glue it all together. You guys, look at it. I did add some pearls to the little glasses, thanks to my mama who mentioned that. And I did add some black decorations to the boy glasses. They are so adorable. I absolutely love this little Mr. and Mrs. set, and I hope you enjoyed it too. If you love this DIY and all things home creative, please visit theruffleddaisy.org, and thank you so much for watching today.